The following film is presented in its complete theatrical version. It was rated R by the MPAA and may not be appropriate for children under 17. Viewer discretion advised.
The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 627, which is in effect until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following parishes in Louisiana: Assumption, Iberia, Iberville, Lafayette, St. Martin, St. Mary, and West Baton Rouge. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Look at you.
Or how good I looked in it. Yep. I'm glad I didn't go with that crystal turtle.
Whatever your story is, your City card can help you write it, because City never sleeps.
There's a special time of year when snowflakes fall on Main Street. As a magical castle is transformed into a
transmitted at the request of the Vermillion Parish Sheriff's Office and the Louisiana Governor's Office of Homeland Security and Emergency Preparedness. Multiple explosions have occurred throughout Vermillion Parish. Up to 5 explosions were reported in multiple rural areas near the towns of Gaydon, Erath, Kaplan, Abbeville, and Maurice. Additionally, multiple fires have recently broken out from some of these explosions, leading to widespread destruction and damage in multiple rural areas. Because of this, all residents of Vermillion Parish must shelter in place. Close and lock any doors and windows in your home, and turn off all air conditioning units. If these fires spread into urban areas, then evacuation orders will be issued if the situation becomes dire. Police and firefighters are asking residents to stay away from areas that are currently closed due to the fires, and to adjust travel plans for their safety until the situation dies down. Please remain tuned for further information when it becomes available.
Lemons in their face, watch them freeze. Lemons. I'll get you. Crack that piss on.